I'm Owen Griffiths, I'm an artist and I'm part of Ways of Working, a small social enterprise devoted to social justice and culture based in South Wales.
And I'm Nasia and Owen. I'm a researcher, writer and artist based in Cardiff.
And together we've collaborated with a team of people to create this installation behind us, which is being installed today at the South Asian Gallery in Manchester Museum. And it's called?
It's called Khawaab Mahal, Dream Palace, and it's inspired by the tent that belonged to Tipu Sultan, who was the ruler of Mysore in India. When he was murdered by the British, the tent was looted and it's now at Powis Castle.
And we've been working on a long project in St Fagans Museum in Cardiff around decolonising the collection. And we've been able to bring this to the South Asian Gallery today, which is really exciting. And it's going to be on for the next few months, so come and see it. And there is a soundtrack inside, there's the pattern which is recreated, and there's some words on the inside.
Right, so yeah, so there's words on the inside on panels of really sort of ethereal fabric. And the words are taken from Tipu Sultan's very own dream journal that he kept. And that appears in English and also in Indo-Persian. And weaving within that narrative is my own narrative, so it kind of gives this feeling of me being in conversation with Tipu Sultan.
And Nusrat's also been now a critical friend in the project when it was started in Wales. It's been really great to get to know the team and to bring this to Manchester.
Yeah, so I'm originally from Manchester, so it feels like
it
feels like a homecoming. It's been really interesting to bring it here. Growing up in Manchester, we didn't have something like this, the South Asian Gallery. So it's quite emotive to come in here and see myself represented, and then now to be part of that and bring some artwork here.
And we've got a series of workshops and talks and different things happening around the installation. So check out the programme and come and see the work.